Hello everyone, today I would like to give you an update on mandelbrot.py. I will go through the list of changes that happened since the first check-in of this code. Well, let's start with cyclic color map. This is this feature here. So this has been inspired by the color maps flag or a prism. So as you can see here, these color maps have a certain sequence, and the sequence is repeated 16 times in both cases. And for certain areas like spirals, this is very, very useful. So here's a normal color map like hot, and if I enable cyclic color map, you can see we have the same repetitions. This is number one. Then we have here a zoom home. So let me zoom in to some point, and we might have done some changes to the exponent of the power norm. For instance, we have changed window limits. We have even chosen a different color map and rotated it. And at some point we say, okay, we want to select a different area, but we want to keep these parameters, and then we zoom home. And then we have the whole plot. The coordinates are resetted, but the parameters are as they have been selected before. The difference is to reset with reset, you reset everything. So this can be quite useful at some point, this zoom home. By the way, you have seen the reset marker. This is the reset marker. It shows us where we worked before. And now it's like this. If you zoom in, the reset marker stays visible if this keep reset marker is enabled. And at some point you don't want to see it anymore, then you just clear reset marker, and it's like this. Okay. Then we have last read. Well, you know that there's this feature places. These places have been stored before, and I go to some place maybe. Then I make some changes, change the color map, change the window, whatever. And if I don't like my changes, then I can go back to the last read by pressing this button. Okay. And then eventually we come to a store named. So we have these places. We can store new places like this, for instance. So this new place appears here. And if we have a certain place which we like very much and we don't want to delete it unintentionally, then we can click on this button, store named, and then we have to give a name for this place, maybe, and we apply, and then the file mbn new name.png is created. MB is for mandelbrot and N for named, and then this new name should have some meaning that you easily understand. This is the idea. And this PNG appears then at a different place here, where the name PNG files are listed. And this cannot be deleted with the right mouse button. Here you can see this gives an error message. So these files are protected against unintentional deletes. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your attention.